think we might have something playing with this one. Oh yeah. Here we go. How's it going, guys? It's been a while. I'm out here with Tori, and we have not been fishing for quite a while, honestly. Oh, something's actually hitting at this one bit down here, I think. Yeah, there's something hitting it, looks like. Oh, ooh, we got something bigger. We got something bigger on down here. I don't know if it's a run through. It's getting slack. I don't know if he... Something might have just taken my bait. I don't know what that was. All right, guys, I don't know what's going on. It's a little crazy right now. We're trying to figure out, I think there's a shark that's not too far off the...
Look. Oh, it's a manatee. Another dolphin. Another manatee.
Yeah, they look like manatees. Maybe that's what...
Yeah, it's a manatee.
I wonder if a manatee swam through.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it was.
It's a manatee.
Yeah, I wish I had a drone, because you probably can't see, but there's a whole big school of manatees out there that was swimming through. There was a shark that we saw not too far off right there as I was dropping my shark bait out there. There were a couple blow-ups, and then I saw this huge fin come out of the water. Tori saw it too. It was probably about 20 feet off the bank. We have a massive pinfish on that one, or at least we did. I'll probably give it another like 20 minutes or so and then check it, because I don't know if something hit it or if the manatee just swam through it. This one we have the furthest out, which has the biggest stingray that I have on there, and then that one's not as far out, but it's also got a stingray, and hopefully something wants to bite those, because they're like 3-4 weeks old, maybe longer, and I used them once before, but I couldn't find bait anywhere else, so that's what I have. That's it. And then this one has a smaller pinfish on it, a little bit past the first sandbar here, so about 50 feet out or something. And then I have this one that was just sitting in the trough, but I think something was messing with it, so I'm gonna get that back out there and see if we can catch like whiting or something like that, so we can get some fresh bait out there. It is super nice to be out here, aside from these flies that keep eating me alive, but I haven't been out here in a long time. Been playing a lot of Diablo, if any of you guys have got that. Played a lot of that, and the weather's been crappy, so this is the first time out in probably about 2 or 3 weeks, which is crazy. So but yeah, I will hopefully get back to you guys when the action starts.
Yeah, I need good vibes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm just trying to have a good life. Yeah, I need good vibes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm just trying to have a good life. Yeah, so don't get me wrong. I know I loved you, girl, in the show. Yeah, but that was still you ended it. Now you call my phone up, bro.
I'm gonna go out here because I'm seeing some fish kind of blow up before he took off, but it'd be really cool to catch a big ladyfish or something. I'd run that bad boy out there. There's a nice stingray right there too. Something apparently smacked my closer one earlier. I just had a massive pinfish on it. I think it was like 5 inches long. I thought manatees swam through it, but I reeled it in to check it, and it just had a head left, so. Oh, there we go. Got something. What's this? Oh, it's a tiny shark. At least I didn't go sharkless today. Come down, buddy. Check him out. All right. Don't catch me as I throw you. There you go. There he goes. I do have shark lines ran out. I have shark lines going out past that sandbar. I have shark lines. Okay. You got one. You're in one of them. That's the unfortunate thing about fishing for sharks off the beach during the day, is you end up having people kind of run through your line sometimes, and it's unfortunate because you know, you can't see literally anybody that way. Like, I can see Tori walking right now. I don't know, maybe 10 people on the beach, and it's 9 o'clock in the morning, and you know, thinking we got out here early, got set up early and stuff like that, there might be some boat traffic, but out of all the spots to go, it has to be 100 yards off the beach right in front of me. It is what it is. Hopefully Sputniks are still stuck in there pretty good. Hopefully it didn't fray the line any, but I tightened those back up. They were really loose, and hopefully we're good to go again, so we'll see. Oh, I think we might have something playing with this one. Oh yeah, here we go. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. He should be on. Yeah, he's on. Doesn't feel very big though.
Oh.
There it goes.
Oh, look, 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 it's a red.
Oh,
If they hit that pole down there, though, I'll go grab it.
there you go.
Well, that's fun.
Right?
On there.
I don't know. It might be. It's made a couple runs. Woo. All right. It's been a while since we've fought a shark. I am feeling it. I'm winded.
Yeah, I need good vibes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm just trying to have a good life. Yeah, I need good vibes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm so sick of these goodbyes. I'm just trying to have a good life. Yeah, it used to be like, why you gotta leave? Why you gotta go? Why you not with me? Can you let me know?
a small tiger. I know, buddy. No. Come on. There we go.
Current's running this way, he's gonna go right that way.
There he goes. Whew. Whew. Man, I'm beat. I'm gonna need revived. Woo. All right, guys, we are done. I'm sitting in here getting out of the sun. Tori's the MVP. Might be the last shark in this area before we move a couple hours up the coast. Hope you enjoyed it. Big shout out to Wild Miles Tackle because I caught that shark on one of his rigs that he made for me, and it worked flawlessly. But yeah, it was great. Big shout out, and go check out his stuff. So if you guys are ever down in the area though, Cape Sandblast, Port St. Joe, St. George Island, all that area, if you want to do some fishing off the charter service or off the beach, shark fishing, Chum 'em Up Charters with Andy Bulger. He can definitely hook you guys up. He catches Goliath grouper and sharks and things that I hope to catch. He catches those all the time, so definitely check him out. But I am going to probably pass out, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will catch you in the next one.